तो व्हाट इज़ अप एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। ये हाँ हमारा आज का तीसरा टेक, बिकॉज वी फक थिंग्स अप 2 times ऑलरेडी, बट अपलोडिंग आफ्टर अ लॉट टाइम, आफ्टर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, क्योंकि वेल नो पर्टिकुलर रीज़न, बट आज वीडियो अपलोड हो रही है क्योंकि वी हैव समथिंग स्पेशल टू डू विद आर बाइक। तो आज हम लोग इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं, जैसा आपको टाइटल और थंबनेल से पता चल गया होगा, रेड रूस्टर परफॉर्मेंस एग्जॉस्ट इंस्टॉल। तो हमने पासा भाई को उठा चुके हैं। अब हम पहले जा रहे हैं श्री मारुति कुरियर सर्विस फगवाड़ा, विच इज़ लाइक 10 kilometers away, to get the exhaust, and then we'll be taking it to the Royal Enfield service center, which is then again 10-15 kilometers away, and then we'll be coming back with this exhaust. Yes, we are decatting the bike. Controversial take, कुछ लोग कहेंगे नहीं करना चाहिए, कुछ लोग कहेंगे कर लो, क्या ही जा रहा है। तो that is, I'll let you decide what is wrong and what is not wrong, and you will see comparison stock versus Red Rooster. I will मतलब एक टाइम स्टैम्प दे दूंगा if you want to skip all this bullshit and just skip to the noise check, sound check, noise check, कोई बात नहीं। तो as I was saying कि ये है हमारा आज का काम। तो what you're hearing right now is a stock exhaust, क्योंकि अभी हम पे स्टॉक ही है। चलो, ऑर्डर ले लिया हम लोगों ने, अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं सर्विस। ठीक, तो ऑर्डर ले लिया हम लोगों ने और अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं सर्विस सेंटर, जो उल्टी दिशा में है लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। ऑल्सो हाँ, जो एक चीज़ मेरे को बतानी थी, तो आई ऑर्डर दिस एग्जॉस्ट ऑन 15 तारीख, आज 25 है। द ऑर्डर अराइव्ड एट द जो भी इनका ऑफिस है ऑन 20th, एंड दीज गाइज नेवर कॉन्टैक्टेड मी। 19 को द ट्रैकिंग शोड की ऑर्डर श्रीनगर है, विच इज़ अपोजिट टू वेर इट शुड बी, बट मेरे को था कि क्या ही, आई गिव देम टाइम एंड आ जाएगा, और वो नहीं आया। तो 3 दिन से मैं इनको कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, बट वो कांटेक्ट ऑब्वियसली हो नहीं पा रहा था बिकॉज दीज गाइज वेंट पिकिंग अप। फिर मैं आज रेड रूस्टर को रेज मेल लिखा, फिर इनको स्पैम कॉल किया, और स्पैम कॉल में से एक कॉल उठ गया, एंड दीज गाइज शोड की, और इन्होंने मतलब यहाँ के ब्रांच मैनेजर या जो भी था उनसे कनेक्ट किया, and that guy asked कि where was the delivery for, and I gave him the address and he said अरे ये तो सर्विसेबल एड्रेस नहीं है, इसलिए आपको ये रिसीव नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज द ऑफिस इज़ लाइक 10 kilometers away from here। तो पता नहीं क्यों, बट they just say don't deliver there, but they should still have contacted me at least, but वो नहीं किया है। but I don't care, I got the order and that's all that matters for now। अब हम लोग यहाँ से आ रहे हैं बहुत दूर टू गेट द एग्जॉस्ट इंस्टॉल्ड, एंड फिर सुनाता हूँ सबको, फिर बिफोर एंड आफ्टर डीकैट डीबी किलर नो, पता नहीं अब होता है नहीं होता है आजकल के एग्जॉस्टों में, बट जो भी होगा यूल नो, ठीक है। तो बाप रे, द इंजन इज़ हॉट भाई, आई हेट फकिंग समर्स भाई। इस टाइम ठंडी पड़ेगी खतरनाक। Until that happens, I don't like fucking hot. The engine makes it so fucking hot, all ghost rider type of shit. But regardless, I'll see you at the service center. I don't wanna make this video too long. Or what you're hearing right now is the stock exhaust again, and what you'll be hearing after will be the aftermarket Red Rooster performance exhaust. Oh my god, भीड़ है भाई। बहुत खतरनाक वाली भीड़ है। छे, विल सी। how it goes and let you know.
So I ended up losing the audio here, but this is basically what the exhaust looks like. And इसके बाद we'll add a transition to the exhaust being installed. And yeah, देखते हैं. पहले देखते हैं बिना एग्जॉस्ट के साउंड कैसी आती है. That is crazy loud. So welcome back, guys. I ended up losing all the video जो सर्विस सेंटर के बाद से वापस आने की. So I'm shooting this video next morning. It's like 6:40 a.m. or something like that. So first of all, let's get the sound checks in. I'll add the before stock exhaust clip first, right here, right now. Now for the Red Rooster performance sound check, I'll show you how the exhaust looks like first. Bike थोड़ी सी गंदी है, but that's not the point here. This is what the exhaust looks like. Alright, and this is the straight bend pipe. Bend pipe नहीं straight pipe है. It's a slightly different color from this charred I have, but it still looks pretty good to me at least. The bike is थोड़ी सी गंदी, but कहीं जा रहा. तो इसके बाद the video is mostly just the sound. So I'll set up मतलब after showing you guys this, and then I'll get you a 5-8 minute की ride so you can see what it actually sounds like. अभी सुबह हो रही है and I don't wanna wake people up. तो sound check मैं जल्दी करूँगा, but bear with me. That is the engine idling. I think that is enough अभी के लिए, क्योंकि it's 6:40 and I don't wanna wake people up in my PG. तो चलना है हम लोग अभी. We'll get a short ride in so you guys can actually hear what the engine sounds like. Golden hour का time, yes, it's like good for us. Let's see how it goes. I'll close the visor and like talk less comparatively so you guys can hear the engine better. Chalo, oopsie.
I will try to get the revs going little higher as soon as क्या कहता we hit non-residential zones where I won't be disturbing people as much, right? So yeah, just have fun. Hope you guys don't hear any wind noise because I tried, because the chin curtain on my helmet is thoda oof, this should look nice in theory. Oh, this is cold. When did these guys install speed breakers on this road? I've not been on bike on this road frequently, but I do not remember speed breakers. Dog, hello doggy. As for people wondering did the mileage drop or what happened to the power, so the power has increased 10 about the website says 10%. I think it's more like 8-9%. I can't be sure too, if I'm being very honest, but it has increased. The throttle response is slightly off, but that's because we have not installed a performance air filter. So we will be doing that, not anytime soon, but in about a month or two. And then we'll also be getting a Fuelix Pro Plus but we'll have to wait another 2-3 months for that. And looks so nice, right? Of course you guys will be watching all of that happen on this bike. I'm mostly willing to do performance upgrades on this bike. Nothing more, nothing less. As in no aesthetic updates, because I just love how the bike looks stock. Should I get a picture here? Miss the window to stop and actually take a picture. I can stop here though. Let's see. Oh, my visor started fogging up as soon as I stopped. Now then, we're on the highway. Where should we go then? Just go towards Patokasi and have breakfast as well. How about that? I need to open up visor halka sa, so get it to not fog up. We're good. So-called free thinkers when presented with a tunnel. I should have taken the exit. Fuck. Bro. हमको. Oh my god, accident. Shit, I thought there was some for no relationship. I'm dumb like that. I hope I have the right ND filter on, or this entire thing would have been a waste. I hope this segment of the video does not make it too long. I'll cut sections out if it is. Fuck breakfast, we'll just go back home and make coffee. Hey, let me know in the comment section if you guys want content that is not about just about bikes. Since the channel is named Cram and Cruise, so all I've been posting is just cruise and no cram. But I haven't been cramming lately either, so there is that too. But do let me know, like, if you want something college related content and like what day in the life of a college student kind of thing. Also let me know what do you guys think about the exhaust. I think it sounds perfect, like it sounds it complements the way the bike looks really well, for me at least. Like that it has that scramblery noise to it. फिर बोल रहा हूँ मैं, देख लो. So it's a very nice thick grumble, if you get what I mean. What you up to, doggy? What the dog doing? Let's see. I see you, dog. I see what you're up to. And yeah, that should be it for today's video. I think I'll end it right here. Thank you for watching and love all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you and bye.